This is Donzia. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to register your business name, your car registration name, either for your POS, for your business, or for any other person. So you can be doing this as an agent, or you can also be doing it for yourself. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. Please, if you know that you are getting useful information on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me a smash button and share this video, because this will encourage me to be posting more videos and sharing ideas with you guys. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. As you can see, I've actually gotten to the website. This is the website. As you can see here, this is an website, car registration website, Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. Welcome to the official corporate report evaluation. Notice of NIN evaluation. This is not what we need. So this is what we need. Account creation. You must have an account registered before you can register or manage your company or business. Click on button below. So you are going to click on create account. Once we click on create account, we are going to see that it's going to give us that we should use our NIN details or phone number. You can either use your phone number to register or your NIN details. When I was registering my account, I used my NIN number because I don't want to use the phone number. But you can also use your phone number if you don't have an NIN. Don't worry, it's still the same processes. But let's just assume I want to register now with a phone number. So I've input the phone number. It's waiting for you to load. I'm not registering this phone number. I just want to show you guys the whole processes without giving you an half-baked information. So I'm going to teach you the whole process. Log into your account, how to register your account, how to pay the remittances payment, and make every down thing. So without no further delay, let's dive into the video. I'm going to click on next. So when you click on next, it's going to show you this page. Authorize. You can see here, this is my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you. I want to get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of this month. Before the end of this, I want to get to 2,000 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are seeing this video for the first time, if you are welcome to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are looking for the website name, please make sure you watch the video to the end, because that's where you are going to see the website name. That's where you are going to see the website name. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. I'm going to add the website description name into the video. You are going to see it there. So see you at the end. I wish you success. Authorized representative, that you fill out your first name, your last name, and your other name, your date of birth, your gender, your nationality in Nigeria, and your accounts, your email address, your phone number, your username, password that you want to use, your operational description, your select country. You select your country, the state, the local government, the postal code, the town, village, house building address, street name, means of identification, and all that. So now let me fill out the information. Because I already have account, I won't be using my own information. I'll be using another person's information, but it's also my information. For the date of birth, I'm going to shoot the date of birth here. For the gender, I'm going to choose male. My nationality Nigeria, my phone number is there. For email address, I'm going to input my email address here, and then I'm going to confirm the email address. Then the username, I'm going to let it be and then the password, I'm going to enter the password. Then I'm going to confirm password. Then occupation, I'm going to choose an occupation. Then the address, I'm going to select a country, state, local government, postal code, town and village, city, town, village, housing address, street name, our means of verification here. These are means of verification. We can use age declaration, birth certificate, driver license, international passport, national ID, and permanent voters card. For this generation, I'm going to be choosing permanent voters card. So then I'm going to enter permanent voters card here. If you have your NIN, you can choose your NIN. Then you are going to click on register. So then I'm going to click on register. After clicking on register, they say I should verify my email that a confirmation code has been sent to my email. So I'm going to log into my email to verify the verification code. This is the verification code. As you can see here, this is. I'm going to click here to complete registration. As you can see here, email confirmed. So now the next thing is to log in. So I'm going to click on here and then log in through email. What is the email is there for you? I'm not a robot. Then I'm going to click on submit. Then the password, I'm going to enter the password. And I'm going to log in. As you can see here, I've successfully logged into the account. As you can see here, I've successfully logged into the account. And this is the account that I just created. Now as you can see, everything is fresh. There is no record here and everything online. That is here. Now let's assume you now want to register for your business name. Let's assume you now want to register for your business name. Register your business name. You are going to come on here. First of all, come and click on name reservation here. Name reservation, you are going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to load like this. And then let me put this browser in desktop mode so that we can all enjoy our viewing experience. Desktop mode. This is desktop mode. As you can see here, name and type. You are going to click on here. Type of name you want. Is that business name you want to register, company name, incorporated trustee, limited partnership, or limited liability partnership. So if you are registering name, you are going to click on register. You are going to click on the business name, and then you are going to click on under specific type of business name. You are going to click on sole proprietorship. If it's sole proprietorship business, one man business, and if it's partnership business, two man business or more, I'm going to click on it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to click on sole proprietorship. After clicking on sole proprietorship, and then I'm going to click on propose name, the name that you want for your business name. I'm going to click on it here. Let's assume I want Donzia channel. Then another name. In case this one I've been choosing, then you are going to choose another name, optional. So among the two names, one will be approved. So here I'm going to click on Donzia for you channel. Then I'm going to click on save and continue. And then under objective, which is number 2 here, objective, which is number 2 here, reason for ability of search, I'm going to click on new registration. And then I'm going to click on under select nature of business category. I'm going to click on the type of business I am doing that is associated with. I'm going to click on, let me check if I'm going to see media personality there. Okay, there's no there. I'm going to click on information and communication. Since I'm informing this YouTube channel is all about information and communication, I'm going to click on information and communication. And under specific nature of business here, I'm going to click on maybe networking services or cinematography, theater and services, or pocket. I'm going to click on networking services, and then I'm going to give a remark for my business stuff. Just let me type NIN agent. Then I'm going to click on save and continue. Now our information has been filled here. As you can see here, our information has been filled, and I brought out my name, the name that I registered, Donzia channel, Donzia for each channel, business name, proprietorship, incorporate, NIN agent, presenter details. As you can see here, this is details I filled. As you can see here, my email is showing for here, donzia@gmail.com. And I'm going to click on save and continue. Now we are going to make a payment. Our payment for this is going to be a total of 666 naira 0.25 kobo. I'm going to click on pay, make payment, pay via remitter. I'm going to click on make payment on the remitter here. As you can see here, then I'm going to just click on submit direct. Once I click on submit, I'm going to use the payment option that I wish to use to pay here, whether it is through card, bank transfer, USD, e-naira, bank branch, remitter, wallet. I use either card or bank transfer. Let me click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, account number will be brought to you to make your payment. As you can see here, I already told you that you are going to make a payment of 616 naira 0.25 kobo. As you can see here, that's the payment you are going to make for this name business name registration. Once you make your payment like this, and send your account and send the money to this account number, you are going to, then after making the payment, you are going to click on I've sent this money here, right here. You are going to click on it, and once you click on it, the page will load. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to make this payment because I already have my business name registered. I'm just making this tutorial for you guys so that you can understand this thing from A to Z and as simple as ABC. So after making the payment, you you will be asked to wait for approval for like 2 to 3 weeks of the approval of the name. If the name is not taken yet, so you are going to wait for an approval. If the name is taken, it will be denied. Let me show you an account on my account that is pending, that I'm working on. Yes, this is an account that I'm working on. As you can see here, the pending name has been 3. Pending name, it is under 3. The name that is denied, it is under 1. As you can see here, let me click on the pending name. Let me click on the denied name so that you can see it. This name I've been choosing before, that's why it was denied. As you can see here, the name has been chosen before, that's why it was denied. So you have to be very careful when choosing your name. As you can see here, business name, reason for rejection, it's approval notes. As you can see here, easy. So after your name gets approved, you are now going to register the company. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Peace out.